spaghetti squash. This one looks good. So we're going to be using this for the pizza. And then we have almond meal and this organic triple filtered coconut oil.
Where am I going?
With Dad.
Where am I going?
With Dad. We're all going with Dad. Okay, this was fun. We got most of the ingredients for our pizza that we're making for the birds for the big birthday parties. To make this birdie pizza, we're going to start with our spaghetti and butternut squash, poke some holes in it, put it in a baking dish filled with water. You're going to set your oven to 350 degrees. I use a Ninja blender to blend all of the ingredients up. I will list the recipe in the description below. You're then going to take some organic coconut oil and put it on your pan that you're going to use so the crust doesn't stick. I'm taking my butternut squash and putting it all over the crust for the top layer. And then I'm going to add my spaghetti squash, which is technically the cheese of the pizza. It's going to be so fun, guys. This is what it looks like when you cook a spaghetti squash. It literally looks like spaghetti, but it's a vegetable. I wanted to remind everyone that birds should never be fed dairy products, and this is why we are using vegetables on our pizza. I'm also using lots of healthy grains because we don't want to be giving them white processed flour. This is beautiful. Do you know whose birthday it is today? It's your birthday! Say happy Valentine's Day! I'm turning 20! Are you gonna have a party? She's so excited, guys. I've got her Parrot party pizza that we made. You wanna try it? Oh my gosh, let's go see Toddy, guys. There's Toddy! Hi, baby girl. You're 20 years old today. Look at this pizza, guys. This looks so good. We got her just for her birthday. Come here, baby. Let's have you sit right here. Should we sing happy birthday? We also got you a plant. Oh, look at Cairo. Cairo's loving the party. Hi, Cairo. Hi, Jim. Hi, Sally. Got Axel. Look at this fun piece of pizza you have. All right, let's see if you like it. Come here. Let's try it. You want the apple? Oh, are you a big bird for your birthday? Oh, sun is going down. Hi, guys. Ducky, Carrot. Snooky, are you ready to eat? Do you guys want to try any of this? Is it yummy? Ruby, what do you think? Do you feel 20? You're not a teenager anymore, are you? Come on. Are you having fun with the party? Okay, come on, look. Look what I have for you. Got a raw almond. You want it? Because you're so special. You're so special, aren't you? You love almonds. Yeah. I love you. Happy birthday. Another year went by so fast. You want to go in there? That's for the little birds. Alright, you're super special. You get one more almond for today. Since it's your birthday. You want one too? Huh, Axel? There you go, baby. You want to come with Mom? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to click like if you loved this video. Thank you for celebrating Ruby's 20th birthday, aka hatch day. Yes, you were hatched from an egg, but I like to call it a birthday also. Don't forget to hit that notification button if you would like future video updates. We love you guys.